use this serie video about Schiphol. I filmed 4 videos, one about, I told you already, the most important thing you have to know if you are flying from Schiphol Airport. Hi guys, I'm Said at Schiphol Airport. I record 4 videos at Schiphol Airport. This is the 4th one. The first video was about public transportation at Schiphol Airport. Second one was about private transportation at Schiphol Airport. Third one was about departure halls at Schiphol Airport. And this is the fourth video and it's about arrival halls at Schiphol Airport. I told you already, the most important thing you have to know if you are flying from Schiphol Airport is that the first floor, like the ground floor, is arrival halls and first floor is departures hall. So in this video we are on ground floor of Schiphol Airport. I will just show you like arrival halls at Schiphol Airport. I hope you enjoy.
Ja, dat weet ik wel.
It's also currency exchange. You can, if you have a currency, you can just exchange it here to euros. It's also this is just a quick explanation about this supermarket. This is Albertine, and it's, I think, the most popular supermarket here in the Netherlands. If you are traveling to the Netherlands and you are at Schiphol Airport and you don't have a card, a valid card that you can pay here, you can pay here by cash. So it's very easy to pay here by cash. Yeah, we will continue our walking to departure halls. To arrival halls. I showed you already arrival hall 1 and arrival hall 2. Now we are walking to arrival hall 3 and 4. There are 3 arrival halls, so I will show you 3 and 4.
Пластик синего цвета. Ik denk dat Michel toch ook les had. Meu marido acaba com muito.
Você importa a galera pra cá.
Mas pode virar o meu. Assim, a gente é muito mais próximo lá. Quando é pegada diferente.
Olha, onde eu trabalho com uma coisa canadense. O ritmo de lá é rápido.
É igual
Boa de café, rapaz.
Nee, dat is
Dá mais duas.
I'll finish this video here. I showed you 4 arrival halls here at Schiphol Airport. We started with the arrival hall number 1, then 2, 3, 4. Just one thing I want to explain you. If you watch the other video about departures halls, arrival hall 4 is like the departure hall 4 is above arrival hall 4, so both of them are like the same area but different level, different floor. Arrival halls ground floor, departure halls first floor. I finished this video here. Love you very much. I hope that you enjoyed the video. You can use this serie video about Schiphol. I filmed 4 videos, one about public transportation at Schiphol Airport. Second one was about private transportation at Schiphol Airport. Third one was about departures hall, and fourth one was about arrival halls at Schiphol Airport. Love you very much, and see you in next videos. Bye.